This is me and Bella. Today is August 13th. I stayed home from work because Bella B was sick. Oh, you were sick today. Say, I was sick. Okay, I had 103 fever. Bella B, prettiest baby you ever see. Bella B, wants my phone. Oh, see. That's what's videotaping us. That's the camera. You want to videotape me? Here. Bella's videotaping me. Oh, now she's turning it around. Now she's got me again. Oh, now she's turning it around to herself. Now she's videotaping me. Oh, now she's turning it around. All right, let's